right, guys, it's 3.9 video, and this is a vocab recap, okay? We have, I think, 9 words in this, so we're going to figure that out. First up word is allele. What is an allele? An allele is a version of a gene. So you might think you either would get a big L or a little l. You get one allele from each parent, and you'll have 2 in total. But all genes, there's different versions. It doesn't mean that there's only 2 versions of every gene. There could be 15 different alleles, but you're only going to get 2 of them because you're going to get one from one parent and one from the other parent. There's dominant and recessive alleles. You know all this. Second word is genotype. What is a genotype? A genotype is the 2 alleles that an individual has. So if you got big L, little l, that would be your genotype. If you got little l, that would be your genotype. Next word is phenotype. What is a phenotype? A phenotype is the physical traits based on DNA. So while your genotype is the 2 alleles that you might have big L, little l. You're only going to express one of those traits. So it might be that you have blue eyes. It might be that you have the ability to produce lactase. It might be having a genetic disease. Physical traits aren't always something we can see about people, but they are always observable in some way. Maybe it's by a test or by, maybe by seeing it, maybe by a test, maybe by testing. If someone has the ability to digest lactose, maybe by giving a test for a disease. That's a phenotype. Next word, chromosome. A chromosome is a structure of tightly coiled DNA. It keeps DNA organized. It is found in the nucleus, and humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, so we have 46 in total. The next word is differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is stem cells specialize and get specific jobs, shapes, or functions. You can look at this picture here that shows a stem cell in the middle and then all the different things it could become. You can see they all look different. They all have different jobs. And yeah, that's differentiation. This happens during fetal development when like a baby is developing. Next word is DNA. What is DNA? DNA is genetic information, obviously. It is used to build proteins, and it determines your traits. It's a double helix structure, and it's found in the nucleus of your cells, stored in chromosomes. What's the next word? RNA. What is RNA? RNA is the messenger between DNA and the ribosome. So in protein synthesis, when we're trying to build a protein, our DNA has the information, and that information needs to get to the ribosome. But DNA never leaves the nucleus ever. So RNA is the messenger that brings the information from the nucleus, from the DNA in the nucleus, to the ribosome to build a protein. Next word is amino acid. An amino acid is a building block of protein. So this is what RNA is translated into. 3 RNA bases are translated into 1 amino acid, and they build a long chain like this, and then they fold up and make a protein. Last word is enzyme. An enzyme is a type of protein that supports digestion or breaking food down. You guys know about the enzyme lactase that breaks down lactose into glucose and galactose. Enzymes are also catalysts, which means they make things go quicker. Like digestion is one example of something that enzymes can make go quicker. But this word catalyst is often used to describe enzymes, and it means that it makes reactions go quicker. If any of these vocab words are tricky for you, you should make a flashcard, set and study from them, or make a Quizlet of biology vocab words, or come to office hours if you don't know how to do those things. Okay, see you guys in class. Bye.